Y'all gotta let me know when these niggas are on Monkey. I will pull up on Monkey. Is he on Monkey right now? Y'all gotta tell me when these niggas are on Monkey, man. Is he on Monkey? Holy shit. No. Is he on Monkey? Please give me confirmation. I'm gonna make him love blacks real quick. Is he on Monkey? Yeah, we're doing the cuff him shit. Except I'm gonna come with a different situation, big dog. Fuck, bro. I can't even do Monkey no more. At least until now, nigga. Fucking nigga. Monkey. Now watch all these racist fucks. I'm not gonna say a damn thing, nigga. Watch all these racist shit. Watch all these racist niggas say some shit about me, nigga. I'm not gonna say nothing. Not gonna say nothing. Niggas are racist. Niggas is racist, nigga. Now we going back to Monkey. Fuck y'all niggas. Watch this. I'm not gonna say nothing. Watch these racist fucks. I'm gonna pretend like I speak another language. Watch this. I'm gonna pretend like I speak another language. Let's have fun. Pretend like I speak another language. What the fuck is going on? Yes. Pretend like I speak another language. Watch this. I speak another language. Watch this. I speak another language. All right, bro. What the fuck is going on, my nigga? You have rejected the request to camera. What the fuck? I can't get on Monkey? I can't get on Monkey, nigga. That's crazy, dog. That's crazy. Can't get on Monkey. I ain't get on Monkey on this shit. Hold on. Watch this. Can't get on Monkey, nigga. What the shit? Yeah, I definitely can get on Monkey on this shit. It's a different website. Hello. Watch how mean niggas get. The fuck? Hello? Oh, I really can't get on Monkey no more. All right, here we go. I don't speak English.
Nigga, your fat ass.
Wait.
Big bad Bill.
Start up in the corner. Me no English.
Bill like a beanbag.
Wait.
I can't hear you, bruh.
Me no English is called me fatty.
Nigga, nobody can hear you, your fat ass.
Nobody can hear you.
Me no English is called me fatty. No
Bro,
English, just because. Hey, bitch boy. Hey, look, you look like a bitch, nigga. Look at you, nigga. You get no bitches, nigga. Look at your dumb ass, nigga. Look at your dumb ass, nigga. You get no bitches, nigga. Look at your dumb ass, nigga. You gay fuck. You gay fuck. You gay
This
fuck,
gotta be
nigga.
fake.
Look. You tried to have help from your boy, bro. You tried to have help from your boy, bro. You look a little gay, nigga. You look a little gay, nigga. What you doing? You snuffing on that shit, nigga?
Hey, stand up, nigga.
You snuffing on that shit, nigga?
Stand up, though.
No, how about you show your face, pussy? How about you show your face, pussy? How about you show your face, pussy?
Take off your hat, though.
Sir. Your internet is fucked up, nigga. Your internet is fucked up, nigga. How about you show your face, nigga? You gonna get roasted in front of 1,000 niggas. You gonna get roasted on in front of 1,000 niggas. You pussy ass nigga. You straight stop laughing. Stop laughing. You getting embarrassed in front of you getting embarrassed in front of 11,000 gay people.
What is he talking about, bro?
Your boyfriend is literally getting roasted in front of 11K followers, nigga. Look at the microphone. Look, my microphone versus his shit. You don't think that there's 11K people watching his ass?
Nigga, you talking to yourself with your fat ass, nigga.
No, not really. That's why you ran away.
Right,
Show your face, bitch boy. Show your face. Come on, big dog.
Ain't your mama fat too?
Show your face, big dog. Look, you ran away with your little popcorn ceiling, my nigga. You pussy, nigga. You're afraid that you're gonna get exposed for being a pussy ass nigga, bro. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him. Pussy ass nigga, bro. Not cool, bro. Not cool. Not cool, bro. You got exposed for being a pussy. You got exposed for being a pussy. That's why he doesn't want to show his face. Look at your boyfriend. That's why he got exposed for not wanting to see his face.
Hey, your top teeth yellow, fat ass.
Well, there's 1,000 people watching you. There's 1,000 people watching you, and all of a sudden you don't want to show your face. Why don't you, sir? Why don't you want to show your face? Why you run away like a little pussy? Show your face, nigga. See?
I don't know.
See, pussy shit.
No.
See, pussy shit. Look, it's supposed to be a 2v1. Exactly. Nah, he pussy for that. He pussy for that. Yo, everybody's skipping my ass. Jesus. They already know when Big Dog comes in. It's always skip, man. Oh, Jesus. Everybody racist tonight. Everybody racist. Everybody racist. Was my shit fucked up? What the fuck?
I did it and he skipped.
I did not skip.
Nigga, he skipped, bitch.
Wait a minute,
Big
fellas.
ass.
Respectfully.
Shut up, dickhead.
No, wait. See, it's not fair, bro. They call me a dickhead. They see the microphone. Hold on. Let me back this shit up. Hold on, there we go. Hold on. Let me back the microphone up. Gotta get the microphone out of there. Hold on. They can see the microphone. They like, oh, he's a streamer.
Playing in my face in first of all. Like, boy.
I didn't even say nothing. I didn't even say nothing. I gotta hide the microphone. I should have put my wig on. Oh, it says network. Oh, shit. My shit fucked up.
You.
Weed or meth? Weed or meth? Wait, what? Wait,
Well, your shit fucked up then. No, I'm on the phone, man. If you can hear me and you can't hear, man, if I can hear, no, hold on. If you can hear me and I can't hear you, that means your shit fucked up. Right? Yeah, I'm about to say, I ain't fuck-
Bitch, it's gonna break.
Oh, there's some real shit right here. Oh my God. This is the setup where they make fake bitches.
Okay.
For real. Look at this shit. The deuce, the foe. Hold on. This guy's not real. This guy's AI. Beanie.
I took it over there.
Beanie. Wait, Beanie. How much do they pay you to do this shit, big dog? Hey, wink once. If they got you over here, just wink once. If they got you over here doing some slavery shit, ice shit, big dog.
Hopefully it don't split.
Beanie, I'm here for you, big dog. I'll call 911 right now, man. Beanie. Wait, Beanie, do you have a belly button? Do you have a belly button piercing? That shit look kind of cute, nigga. Beanie.
Something like that.
Don't let these niggas treat you like blacks, nigga. Beanie, don't fall. Beanie, don't fall. Oh shit! No, we gotta watch Beanie. All right, we got your back, Beanie. Oh my God, Beanie going crazy right now. Beanie. All right, Beanie. All right, Beanie. Please get down with care. Beanie, please get down with care.
Maybe real quick.
Beanie. Yeah, I don't want my guy to fall. I gotta watch this shit. Beanie, please don't fall. Oh, Beanie! Oh, let me scare for a little bit, big dog. Beanie, stop. Deuce the foe. If it knows something, deuce the foe. Do you gangbang? Look at Beanie's ass. Beanie got ass, nigga. Y'all see Beanie's ass? Beanie got ass, nigga. That nigga twerking out here with the tools, nigga. Y'all see Beanie? Look, check out Beanie, nigga. The deuce, the foe. Look at Beanie over there trying to screw in some more.
That's better.
God damn, Beanie got ass. Y'all see that? Beanie. Oh, Beanie twerking right now. Hey, Beanie, can you twerk and actually put in them screws? Oh, look at Beanie. Beanie, do that again. That nigga Beanie got ass. Respectfully. Beanie, you got ass. Beanie. You got ass. You gonna click off? See, pussy. You wanted bitches over there. I'm a hardworking guy. Nobody gonna watch that nigga shit, nigga. I was the only guy who was watching that shit, man. Nigga Beanies. And I was the only nigga watching Beanie going crazy, nigga, with the ass. Nigga, that's crazy. Do stuff. Nigga Beanie is crazy, man. All right, if we get any bitches who come into my shit, we gotta convert them to the Lord. We gotta convert any bitches to the Lord. All these bitches getting converted to the Lord. Any bitches who get matched, they gotta get converted to the Lord. Wait, why am I not getting matched? I'm being racist, nigga. Jesus Christ. I get matched to nobody, niggas. The deuce, the foe. Niggas ain't matching niggas. The fuck, nigga. Gotta get braid on. The fuck, nigga. My shit about to cut off, bro. God damn it, bro. I don't even know what to do. Hold on. Full screen? Are we full screen? My shit about to cut off.
You good, Unc?
Never call
Yo,
me
Unc.
Unc, big dog. Never call me Unc, big dog.
Yo, Unc. I can't hear you, bro. I can't hear you, man.
Hold on. I gotta recharge my shit. See, niggas. Whatever. I gotta recharge my shit. I don't even know what to do, bro. God damn it, bro. Gotta recharge my shit. Yeah. I'm gonna be mean to all these weird ass niggas, man. Gang, gang. See, I gotta charge my computer, bro. Fuck, you fucking idiots. Any nigga who come on, tell that nigga to suck my cock, nigga. Tell that nigga that. You gang bang.
Oh my God. That was.
Hey, do you gang bang? You gang bang? Oh, that
Oh,
guy
your mic
definitely
is
gang
off,
bangs.
brother.
The guy definitely gang bangs, nigga.
There's no audio. You must have got a phone call or something.
No, y'all niggas are straight pussy, nigga. Both y'all niggas straight pussy, nigga. But do you gang bang?
I'm serious.
The black guy. Wait, the fuck? They can't hear me? The fuck? They can't hear me, bro? I have to get my charger. Wait, they can't hear me? The deuce, the foe? These niggas can't hear me? Do you gang bang? I press these niggas. Oh, that's why. I'll be outside with my gang gang. I'll be outside with my gang gang. Hey, big dog. You speaking a whole lot of 7-Eleven, my nigga. The fuck you talking about, bro? You speaking a lot of 7-Eleven, my nigga. Jesus. Deuce the gang.
Yo,
You can't call. Hey, big dog. I'm better than y'all. I'm better than y'all.
I think he ate his mic. I think he ate his mic.
Wait, y'all niggas stream on Kick? Y'all niggas can't hear me? Nobody can hear me, bro? What the fuck? Nobody can hear me, bro. Nobody can hear me? I know. No, I took the BRB screen off. They can't hear me? They can't hear me? Nah, bro. Respectfully, can you hear me?
Cut that off, dog.
Bro, you at work, bro.
You gotta.
Wait a minute. That nigga's at work. That nigga trying to get pussy at work, nigga. That nigga, hey, report that. Report that. How you at work trying to get pussy, nigga? That's crazy, my nigga. Wait, niggas can't hear me? Niggas can't hear me, bro?
What's up, dog?
No, respectfully, can you hear what I'm saying?
Hmm?
You can hear me, right?
I can't hear you.
You can't hear me?
I can't hear you, brother.
What the fuck?
I can't hear you, Monty B.
You can't hear me? You can't hear me?
Monty B.
Ah, that's
Monty B, I can't hear you.
Hold on, he can't hear me. Hold on, we gotta do something. My bad, big dog. I was gonna make you famous, nigga.
Bitch.
I was gonna make you famous, pussy. What the fuck, nigga? So niggas can't hear me. Niggas can't hear me, bro. What the shits? Niggas can't hear me, nigga. What the shit? Niggas can't hear me, bro. What the shit? Hold up. Hold up. Why can't I hear myself, though? Nah, y'all niggas is lying, bro.
So niggas can't hear me.
Nah.
Niggas can't
Nah,
hear me, bro.
nah.
What the shit?
Nah, nigga. Nah, nigga.
Niggas can't hear me, nigga. What the shit?
Nah, they lying, nigga. Niggas can't hear me, bro. Fuck these motherfuckers, bro. Niggas can't hear me, nigga. Dog. Oh my God, bro. I can't even get on Monkey no more, bro. It's a wrap, nigga. I can't even get on Monkey no more. You have rejected. Hello? You have rejected Monkey. Oh, fuck Monkey, nigga. I can't even get on Monkey no more, nigga. Disgusting, bro. You can't even get on Monkey no more. What the shit? That's why these niggas can't hear me. Hello? Hello? Can't even get on Monkey no more, nigga. Hello? Fuck, y'all niggas be sucking my dick, nigga. Jesus Christ. Can't even get on Monkey. Nah, it says I have to allow some shit, nigga. Fuck all that allowing shit, nigga. Niggas just want to steal my shit, big dog. I mean, it was funny when it lasted, nigga. I don't even get on Monkey like that, but other than that... Oh, wait a minute. Hold on. Allow. Oh, we back, nigga. We back, nigga. It's easy. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, nigga. That guy was hella gay. The fuck? That was hella gay. The shit was... Oh, my God. Niggas want to be fake rappers and do all that shit, nigga.
Smokey for me. We got no papers. I'm not trying to.
Bro, get fuck up the phone.
Yo.
Fuck. I got cut off, bro. There's 1,000 people watching, but we got cut off, bro. So no one wants to watch you right now, big dog.
It's Ice Cube. When? Hey,
Wait, what the fuck? Wait. Hold on. What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? How's that possible? How's that possible? Wait, stay. Please stay. How's that possible? Bro, somebody, did y'all see that? Just
Nigga just started sucking my dick. I know you're locked in right now, big dog. I know you're locked in right now, big dog. Look to the left. Look to the left, big dog. Nipples. Look to the left. You got it, big dog. This is your conscience speaking. You got it, big dog. You got it, big dog. Listen to that bullshit. You're listening to that YN drill music. Look at me. Look at me. We gon' fuck up your focus, big dog. This is your conscious speaking. What are you doing? You're smoking weed. You're smoking weed. You're 16. You're smoking weed. Wait a minute. You going crazy on the joysticks. Holy shit. Oh my god. What is that? Is that alcohol? My boy is locked in. Do you fuck with Rakai? Do you fuck with Blacksploit Max? Do you fuck with ScottCheetos? Do you fuck with Kai Samet? My boy's locked in. I like it. Big dog. How much could a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck what? Get your finger out of your nose, nigga. Get your finger out of your nose, nigga. How much could a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck what? Oh, this guy thinks he's that guy. Oh, he think he focused. All right. He thinks he's focused. There's 10,000 people watching you right now, big dog. There's 10,000 people watching you right now. Don't fold, nigga. Don't fold. 10,000 people watching.
Yo, a nigga actually popped up to my shit, nigga. Y'all niggas are weird, bro. Y'all niggas are weird, nigga. Niggas actually popped up to my shit, showing cock. The fuck? Showing cock, nigga. Nah, I didn't know niggas was watching my shit, though. Definitely gotta delete the VOD, though. Definitely, I'm deleting the VOD. Doesn't matter. Niggas watching my shit, nigga. We got caught up on. Whatever. I'm deleting the VOD. Nigga. Doesn't matter.
He's a little weird whole thing.
Call him a nigger. Call him a nigger. Call him a dirty nigger. He's a dirty nigger. Call him a dirty nigger. Tell that he's a dirty nigger. Who's the dirty nigger? Look at him. You're a dirty nigger. Yes, you are, sir. You're a dirty guy.
Wait, we can't hear your audio. Did you turn it down?
Wait, no one can hear me, bro? What the shit?
We'll wait for him.
Nobody can hear me?
He looks like that. Don't know.
Yo, you really riding that nigga's cock, though, right now, big dog. You really riding
We'll
his
wait for
cock.
you to fix your audio, but we can't hear you right now. But we'll wait. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with that. We just can't hear you. Mm-hmm.
Can I join? No one can hear me? What the shit? My audio is fucked up. No, my audio is actually fucked up. What the shit? Hold on. Niggas really can't hear me? Stop. Niggas can't hear me, bro. Hello? Pedo, you can do whatever you want. For some reason, my audio is not working. Hello? How is my shit not able to fucking... They actually came across a fan, nigga. Big shit, nigga.
Oh, hello?
On the Maybach, I can never be off that. I could get your Maybach Polk right now. All I gotta make.
What's up, pussy? Can you hear me? Hello? Bruh, my shit really not working? Wait a minute. Am I tripping? Hold up. Hold up. My shit not working. My shit really not working? Hold on. My shit really not working? Wait, my shit not working? Hold on. Hold on. Let's end this shit. Hold on. Hold on. My shit not working? This is the second person to say that. That shit really not working. Hold on. End this shit. That shit really not working? Let's end that. Let's go back. This is Safari. Hold on. Hold on. How's that not working? The bitch couldn't hear me. That bitch was riding that nigga's cock. Y'all saw that, right? I was about to be introduced, nigga. Menage a trois, nigga. What the? Nigga about to fuck, nigga. Two, nigga. Menage a trois, nigga.
Okay, with us. Tell me you want to fuck that for some about the trying to finesse.
Wait, respectfully, can you hear me or no? Can you hear me?
I can't even hear you, bro.
Fuck, bro. No one can hear me. You can't hear me? You can't hear me? Fuck, bro. You can't hear me. Big dog can't hear me.
I can't hear you. I can't hear you.
You can't hear me? Bro, hey, get your money. Can I have some money? Can I have some money? I want some money. These niggas can't hear me, bro. They really can't hear me. Sons of bitches and whores. They can't even hear me, bro. Nobody can hear me. Nobody can hear me. Shit is out of control, bro. Nobody can hear me, dog. Jesus Christ. Pussy niggas like this. Niggas cannot hear me. All right, we'll do this one more time. Hold on. Niggas can't really... Bro, what the shit? Niggas can't hear me, nigga. That nigga had money too, nigga. I was about to be that guy's boyfriend, nigga. What the shit? Niggas really can't hear me. Hello? Allow. Hello? Hello? I want to be introduced to the... Hello? Hello? Bitch. Skipping me is crazy. You don't know who I am, nigga. Can you hear me? Can you hear me, though?
Hey, man.
Can you hear me, though? No. Can you hear me, though?
What the fuck?
Nobody can hear me, man. Nobody can hear me, bro. This is weak. Weak sauce. Fuck it, nigga. We mimes. Can you hear me?
Man?
Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Where are you from?
That's where I'm from, nigga. This nigga can't hear me, though. Can you hear me, though? Can you hear me? You can't hear me?
Where you from, man?
Can you hear me? Respect. My bad, big dog. Respect. I'm sorry, big dog. Fuck. Fuck is going on with my shit? I don't know why people can't hear me. How's that possible? How do these niggas not be able? Oh, wait, maybe this. Could be that, but I don't want to do that. Hold on. Let me do this. Hold on. No, it's telling me right here. Hold on. Oh my God, bro. I'm so stupid. Fuck, I hate you. I fucking hate you, Apple. I fucking hate you, Apple. God damn, dog. I fucking hate you, Apple. Sons of bitches. Sons of bitches. I fucking hate you, Apple. I fucking hate you, Apple. It's telling me to go there, Apple. I don't see it, Apple. Do your gangbang. I don't see it. It's telling me where to go. I don't see it, though. Hold on. I don't see it. Do your gangbang. I'll be outside with my gang. It's one of the shits, nigga. God damn it. Fuck it. I'm doing everything. Nope. It has to be on general. Holy shit. Accessibilities. So now I don't know the accessibilities. Fuck. Bro, I hate my Mac. It's telling me to go to the camera. I don't even see camera, nigga. Keyboard. Come on, camera. Holy shit. I don't see camera. I don't see camera. Nope. Y'all niggas fucking with me at this point, man. Where's camera at, nigga? Screen time. Oh, wait. We might have found it. Hold on. Is this camera? Hold on. Nobody can hear me there. Hold on. Camera! We found it. We found camera. Doesn't say anything, bro. It's just camera. It just says camera, bro. It just says camera, bro. I'm at camera. Everything is checked off. Do you gang bang? Click lock. Allow your cam on mic. Wait, do we go to... Wait, maybe we go to apps. Wait, hold on. Do we go to apps? Do you gang bang? I'll be outside with my gang gang. Wait, is it apps? It might be apps. Hold on. Pussy, now apps don't even want to show up, nigga. God damn it, you fucking bitches. God damn it. I hate this computer, bro. I hate this computer, bro. I hate this computer, bro. Oh my God, I fucking hate this shit, bro. Nothing. You know what? I'm good, bro. Going to bed, bro. I gotta wake up tomorrow. No, this shit weak, bro. This shit weak, bro. Straight pussy, nigga. Oh my God, do stuff. Nah, I just don't get it, bro. I don't get it, bro. We're gonna end it. If niggas can't hear me on fucking whatever that shit called, nigga. I gotta wake up tomorrow early, nigga. I don't see Monkey here. We'll try it one more time. Like, what the fuck? How is this not possible, big dogs? They literally can heard me like 5 minutes ago, big dogs. Now they can't hear me, nigga. I gotta do some weird settings. Come on, nigga. Hold on. Let me see real quick. If these bitches can't hear me, nigga, it's a wrap. If these bitches can't hear me, nigga, it's a wrap, nigga. It's a wrap, nigga. If they can't hear me, bro, I'm out. There's no way this shouldn't be possible. This shit should not be possible. Gang, gang. They should be able to hear me. If they can't hear me, nigga, I'm out. I'm out, nigga. What the fuck, bro? If they can hear me, nigga, it's gang, gang. Can you hear what I'm saying? 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 Gay guy. Y'all can hear what I'm saying. The fuck? They can't. So y'all niggas can hear what I'm saying, but they can't hear what I'm saying, nigga. Gang, gang. I'll be outside with my gang, gang. Can you hear me? Yes or no? Can you hear me? Yes or no?
Yep.
Can you guys hear me? Yes or no? Can you guys hear me?
Get more savings from Shell when joining the fuel.
Can you hear me? You can't hear me. Fuck, bro. They couldn't even, they can't hear me, nigga. Jesus Christ, bro. Oh, we might get a baddie though. I can do sign language. Hold on. We might get a baddie though. Let it go, big dog. Let it go, Tim Drake. Let it go. I thought we were gonna get matched up with a baddie.
The big pain Mac.
Can you hear me?
No, I can't hear you. Yeah, it's over with for tonight. Yep, go ahead, lay down. Mm-hmm. No. Sway your mic though. Oh shit. Yo ass, I ain't gonna lie, you cool though. You cool as hell. But it's cool. Hey bro, did you?
I don't want to be cool with you, nigga. I don't want to be cool with you, bro. You gay as shit, nigga. Obviously, my shit not working, bro. Holy shit, my nigga. What the fuck? Obviously, my shit not working. Bro. Settings. Shit, my nigga. What the fuck? Obviously, my shit not working. What do you mean? Whatever happens to me at this point, stop being gay, bro. That nigga want to fuck me in my ass. So what do you mean? Anything that happens to me at this point, bro? Stop being weird, my guy. The fuck that guy talking about? Anything that happens to you, Scott, you're done for. You're done for, nigga. We don't like you, ScottCheetos. Anything that happens to you at this point, nigga, you're done for. You gay, nigga. Stop sucking my cock, big dog. Anything that happens to you at this point, Scott. Anything that happens at this point, you're either getting fucked or if it happens to you, anything that happens to you at this point, big dog, it's on you, nigga. Nah, Pill, you the dick rider, nigga. Like, what are you talking about? Nah, you the dick rider, nigga. For some reason, I don't know why I can't hear these, or these niggas can't hear me. We'll figure it out. For some reason, it's not working. We'll figure it out. I don't even really be a monkey like that, but whatever at this point. For some reason, that shit ain't working. But ScottCheetos, anything at this point, you fucked up, ScottCheetos. You fucked up, ScottCheetos. Anyways, we ain't gotta talk to niggas though, but we still got shit to react to. I thought we were gonna end, nigga. Nah. I just can't get on whatever that shit's called. For some reason, I don't know what's going on. ScottCheetos. Oh my God, your cock is so big, ScottCheetos. Grip. Dick too big, nigga. Dick so hard. Trying to get this wave.
Stability, precision. That's the essence of driving. Lawfin.
y'all be sucking me, bro. Y'all be sucking me, bro. Relax, nigga.
What's your type of girl?
Oh, why you gifting me Young Thug? Oh. You ever one of your clients, man?
No, never.
You're lying. I'm out of here. Oh. Was it like a threesome?
Yeah.
Man, I just said Barcelona. I said Barcelona. Yeah, he too short.
What's the most you guys have ever tricked on a girl?
I'm a trick. I spent $50 this.
Bro's a liar. That nigga said he spent thousands. He said he fucks. All right.
It's your
That's
boy,
what we call a certified lover boy, certified liar, nigga.
And I'm back with the most legendary video ever. In today's video, I got 20 women versus 2 legends. Pull up on me.
Yeah. America's favorite uncle. I ain't got to make no introduction. I'm gonna fix your mama alternator when I come out the bedroom. She say that's your uncle.
What would be the first meal that you would feed me?
6'9" pays for poolside. And Unc paid for poolside. All these niggas pay for poolside. Y'all niggas is really doing that. Jesus. Y'all niggas are really going at that shit, big dog. Y'all niggas paying for poolside.
I get nobody $12,000. Who you tell anybody? What you gonna do here?
Niggas paying for poolside.
I just sent him a picture. I sent him a video, and I was putting grease on my muscle. You know, like how you grease.
No, you niggas is paying for poolside. Cause y'all niggas got poolside over your shit, my nigga. Niggas is paying for poolside.
Greasing his arm? Yeah, I was greasing mine.
It's about time you come on my channel, man.
Yeah.
No, I'm sweating because number one, I'm mad because I wanted to get on fucking Monkey, nigga. I can't do it. I get real mad when my shit don't go my way. I gotta figure out what's going on, why I can't even get on Monkey, why people can't hear me. And number two, I don't give a fuck about these guys. We got 6'9" and Charleston White, nigga. 2 niggas who pay for poolside. Jesus Christ, this shit's not good. We're gonna lose a lot of viewers right now. Guarantee it, we're gonna lose a lot of viewers right now, big dog.
Yeah, it's about time. But pop a balloon, I've just been.
Nah, I'm upset, nigga. I wanted to go on Monkey. You know I wanted to go on Monkey, nigga. Monkey is where I want to be at, bro. That shit would have been way better, bro. But niggas, for some reason, can't hear me. They saying for me to do some shit on my settings, bro. I'm not smart enough to understand that. We'll understand it later, nigga. We'll understand it later. I ain't never had that bullshit happen to me. So now we gotta wait, nigga. For some reason, we gotta wait, nigga. That shit maddening, nigga. I want to go on Monkey, nigga. Now we gotta deal with this bullshit ass video, bro. Matter of fact, fuck it, nigga. We gonna end this shit in like 5 minutes, bro. I don't want to do a reaction to this shit. I want to go on Monkey. This shit is weird, bro.
Picking by hand. I get to pop a balloon tonight.
Yeah. I ain't gonna lie. You know we gotta do it different.
I don't care about this shit, bro. I want to go on Monkey. And matter of fact, I'm not gonna lie, bro. We're gonna end this shit, nigga. I'm about to eat my food that I DoorDashed. And then I'm about to watch. What's that rock movie? You know what? Fuck it, bro. Fuck it. I'm not even gonna force this. I'm not gonna force it. Y'all have a great night. I was gonna go on Monkey, go crazy, nigga, but for some reason, niggas can't hear me on Monkey. So everybody suck a dick. We're gonna end the stream right here and right here. You guys have a great night, big dogs. Just know that my cock is bigger than yours. There's only one cock that's bigger than yours. That's my cock. That ain't the cock, that's Scott's cock. Good night, bitch boys. Good night.